Shortly AI Review, Usage Experience. Links to Shortly AI are in the description, so make sure to check them out. In this video, I'll break down Shortly AI's features, who it's best for, and how it can streamline your content creation process. Shortly AI is a powerful AI writing assistant designed to help you generate content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're crafting blog posts, emails, social media captions, or even brainstorming ideas, Shortly AI acts like your personal writing partner. The standout feature is its simplicity. Just type a few words or a brief prompt, and the AI takes over, generating high-quality, coherent text that aligns with your input. The tool is perfect for content creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs who need to produce large volumes of written content without getting bogged down by writer's block. Shortly AI excels at expanding ideas, rephrasing sentences, and generating long-form content that feels natural and engaging. One of Shortly AI's strongest features is its command-based system. Instead of clicking buttons or navigating complex menus, you simply type commands like /expand to elaborate on an idea or /rewrite to get a fresh take on a sentence. This streamlined workflow lets you stay in the zone, keeping your creative process uninterrupted. Another major highlight is the unlimited word generation with their premium plan. Unlike some AI tools that restrict usage, Shortly AI encourages free-flowing creativity without limits. This makes it especially valuable for novelists, bloggers, and digital marketers working on large-scale projects. Shortly AI's interface is clean and distraction-free. The minimalist design helps you focus purely on writing, making it ideal for those who prefer a clutter-free workspace. In summary, Shortly AI is a game changer for anyone looking to boost productivity and enhance their writing. If you're someone who frequently works with text, this tool is definitely worth exploring. Check the description for links, and if this review was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.